Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to delete uploads in Canva to clean up your account and remove unused files. Whether we are organizing our workspace or freeing up storage, this helps keep everything neat and easy to manage. On the Canva dashboard, we will go to our projects. Once we are in our projects, we just need to click on Uploads. Here, we can see all our uploads. If we want to delete all our uploads, we just need to select all the uploads so we can delete them at once. Or, if we only want to delete a few specific files, we can select just those. We just need to click on the files we want to remove. Click each file to place a check mark on it, then click the small trash button and select Move to Trash. As we can see, the files are now moving to trash and will be deleted from Canva. If we want to delete more files, we just repeat the same process. Check the files and click the Delete button. And that is how we can delete uploads in Canva in just a few simple steps. Our upload library is now clean and organized.